Welcome to Slammedenuff in Daytona Beach. My name is Nickie. I hope you guys enjoy and have fun watching us. You gonna shoot Evelina?
I gave it back to the body shop after they repainted it.
How are you? So can you please tell us a little bit about your car?
Okay, this is a Vaydor.
Vaydor.
This is a kit car. This is an Infiniti G35 cut up and made into a Vaydor. So this took about 2 years to build, and you can see it's completely custom from front to back. It sits on airbags, and everything you can imagine. LEDs, every button you can press. So.
Love it. So what exactly does Vaydor mean?
Vaydor is just like just a name.
Just a name.
Just to create another version, like instead of a McLaren, it becomes a Vaydor.
Well, it's so beautiful.
It's
I
the
love it.
The name of the kit is called Vaydor. So this is what you create.
You did a beautiful job. Thank you for bringing it today.
Well, you're welcome to.
What would you call this color?
This is called root beer color.
Root beer.
This is a root beer color.
So you guys thought, oh, we'll just have an easy day, and then you ran into a Ford guy, and then this happened.
Yeah, freaking Ford. Unbelievable.
Really, Blaine?
I mean, I thought we were starting to get along. Remember, we won a helmet with a Ford, bro. Except for it broke down before we did that. So, helmet.
Thank you for letting us check out your car.
I would have never thought it was an Infiniti.
Yeah,
I know, right?
This is a 2005 Infiniti. 2005.
Man.
That's
It's got 110,000 miles.
So where are you based out of?
I'm here in Daytona, Florida.
Great.
Daytona, Florida.
So do you do these builds?
No, the bills no. It's a manufacturing company.
All right, brother. Thank you.
Thanks, man.
Thank you so much for having us and letting us check out your vehicle.
much to it. I just have it with wrapped. As you can see, I do have it with some two-piece ESR rims. And I just got done some carbon fiber parts, a little bit of the interior as well. We have the carbon fiber steering wheel with some carbon fiber interior parts as well. And I got some things coming our way with the trunk setup. But yeah, it's just little details now. There's also starlights. I think I also have in there. So little high class.
Pretty. I love that.
It's not your normal C300. It's a Mercedes 2016. It has a little facelift to it with the AMG version.
Do you have an Instagram that we can come check out your car at?
Yes, I do. It's Valdez.Benz, VALDES, _BENZZ.
Nice.
Well, thank you for letting us check out your car and taking some pictures and videos.
I love
It's
it.
beautiful.
You do a lot of bikini contests.
I do a lot of bikini contests. I love bikini contests.
So how many do you think you won last year? Every other one you
I
won?
won all of them. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. But I do love them, and it's fun, and I love the girls that do it with me. It's all fun competition.
So what do you do?
Meet you girls next year.
So what do you do to prepare for the competitions? Like, do you work out or?
I mean, I normally work out anyways, so yeah.
So you're just normally ready, right?
Oh, I'm always ready. I stay ready.
I like that. So what, just throwing this out here, how many contests you think you've won overall the whole time you've been doing it, ever since before I met you? So.
Oh my gosh. So, okay, I started doing bikini contests when I was maybe 18. I worked for the Wing House, and all my friends said, "Girl, let's go. You gotta do it with us." And I was like, I'm not gonna win. I'm so tiny. I third place at my first contest, and I was hooked ever since. No, him and I both said it's a Honda. Oh, he said I can sit in it.
Thank you. I could definitely see you driving this one.
I'll drive this. This is very
Curb checks.
I love the seats and everything. It's a little low, but comfortable. I think I could run it. Look at that, it's pretty.
Gold car.
So what would you say your favorite event to do is?
My favorite event.
Or your favorite event to model at and stuff like that?
My favorite event to model at will always be Bike Week. I have such a special place in my heart for Bike Week. I've been doing it for so long. I love the environment, the bikers, everything's just so much fun. And there's always bikini contests. Can't lose.
So we're gonna see you in Bike Week here in a couple months here, 2025.
You better come see me at Bike Week in 2025, please. I hope everybody has a great holiday season.
So tell me about this car a little bit.
I'd love to know more about this car. It seems like it's very festive. I think I can take it apart very easily. I'd love to find the owner and get the answers to why he is decorating his car this way.
Yeah, you can actually unwrap this one.
Right? It is. It's really big.
That had to took a lot, like to do. You know what I'm saying? That took a lot to.
Isn't that crazy?
It is.
She drove that from Tampa.
What?
I
Dang.
swear to
Leave it
God.
on there?
Not every day you got a professional model right in front of you.
What's your name?
Nickie.
Nickie. Hi, Nickie.
Hi.
So pretty.
Thank you.
Rocking that. Do you do like shoots for stuff?
I do, like this stuff. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's usually the one that wins the contest, not just competes in them.
Her?
Yeah.
I can see why. You have an Instagram?
I do.
I'll hit you up.
Yeah, that's cool.
Oh, I didn't realize that. Okay. Happy you came by.
You do.
Thank you.
So, what do you think of world peace?
Oh Lord, we definitely need some more world peace in our lives.
The world needs peace,
We
right?
need peace. There's no peace here. We need peace. Don't forget to check out Prime Cut Pro on YouTube and see all the Fireball model profiles. Hi everybody, I hope you're enjoying today's show and all the cars you see today. All kind of cars today, Infinities, Hondas, all kinds of things, BMWs, cool cars.
Alright, so I told you about the bikini contest we're organizing. We're also going to be doing beach shoots.
Oh, I love that.
So, lots of fun things on the horizon.
I can't wait. I love the beach and I can't wait to get wet for you guys.
Well, we can't wait either. Nice shooting with you today. Good seeing you.
Thanks for having me and I've had such a fun time. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me today.